Thank you for being so interested in our remote editor's position. To start with, we would like to talk to you about what is it we do, how we do it, why we do it, and what is your role in all of this. We are a customer experience company. What does that mean? It means that we collect different types of data, analyze it, and advise our customers on how they can improve their processes and procedures to make their customers happy. We also analyze how to make employees happier because that goes hand in hand with customer satisfaction. One of our ways of collecting data is called mystery shopping. That is a process of when we send people to pretend to be customers. They go through the whole process, remember important details, sometimes they even record it on video or audio, fill out a report, and then we receive that report. And that's where you come in. As a customer experience company, we would like our customers to have a great experience reading our reports. So when you read a report, when you just open it, ask yourself if you understood everything, if you have all the information you would like to know about your business, if it would be yours. Was it easy to understand? Was anything missing? Was the flow of the narrative good enough and well structured? For this, we created a 3-tier process. Tier 1 is called initial validation. This is done internally, and we simply have a look and make sure that there's no major mistakes and that all the basics of the report have been filled out. The next step of this process is called Tier 1, and this is where you come in. As we mentioned before, this is where most of the editing is done. You would check for grammar mistakes, punctuation mistakes. You would make sure that the report sounds formal, that there's no fragments or run-ons, that the date and time is correct. You would also give us feedback about how was your experience and how was the report, and many other details, and we'll get into them in the next sections. Tier 2 is called quality control, or QC. This is either done internally in the company or it's done by Tier 1 editors that have been upgraded to QC editors. They will mostly give you feedback when necessary and make sure that you haven't missed anything important. They also send feedback to shoppers and send reports to our clients. In the next section, we'll talk more about the report editing basics and we'll teach you everything we know.